Evening all, welcome to another Play Chess.com Bullet Banter. So, Banter Bullet, in fact. Okay, it's 7 PM UK time. Hi all, I'm just going to say hi all in chat. Let's get a bullet game here. So, Omsk. I think Alexander Alekine played this Gambit occasionally. Alright, so, oh, this is a new one. I can throw in this check. So try and throw a spanner in the works if needed. Let's go here actually, because I've just noticed knight g4. Maybe queen e8 if he's not careful. There's a back row opportunity. I'm playing a bit slow here. Can I speed up a little bit? Let's fix down the pawns a little bit. Okay, maybe put that king back. Put this bishop back into safety. And there's knight g5 available. Put my king over here. Maybe queen f2 is handy. I think queen f2 will be handy on this f file. I can then build up pressure with rook f1. It's good the knight held by the bishop at the moment. Okay. This looks very promising. Alright, safely through the first game. And let's go again. So Wahlberg. He aborted. Oh, let's abort this and get someone else. Okay, who's around community at the moment? Pose. Anyone else? Aha. Positional. So, PS. Okay, this could be a little bit of a concern here. Yeah, I've gone a bit dodgy already. This dodgy Gambit, I think. I'm not entirely sure what my conscious rationale is. It looks as though my pawn is okay on d5. Maybe I can switch the queen into attacking mode. Keep up on the clock. Keep up on the clock. It's crucial in bullet chess. F6, there might be d6. Okay, this d6 looks very promising. Sort of Albin counter Gambit. Albin counter Gambit. It looks as though f6 is being undermined here, like I would sometimes if I was playing black and Albin counter Gambit. So there's a lot of pressure on f6. Okay, lots. What does he do about that? It looks as though, okay, there's still pressure. Maybe h6 is possible here. Or build up. I can build up this pin against the queen. I think it's working out here. There's too much pressure to bear, I think. Goes on a bit, and a little bit more. Okay, Yeah, I don't know really what I was doing there with that pawn sack. It seems in some... Okay, he's gonna try for revenge here. Okay, sort of hybrid. Oh, Rogozin, the kind of Rogozin. No, I don't really play the Rogozin that much.
Yes.
Observer said yes. Well, is that reassuring? When it whispers yes. Did I do something good? Then this doesn't look familiar to me, this territory. Looks as though it might have gone wrong. Well, I suppose there's bishop g6 to worry about. Mild concern, at least. Maybe I think I can just... Yeah, I can also play king g7. So this is going to be a Smith-Morra Gambit, not Morra-Smith Gambit, but actually a Smith-Morra, as I later discovered after doing hundreds of videos calling it. Okay, Morra-Smith. Okay, so rook c1 and then maybe knight d5. This looks like a dangerous Morra-Smith. Well, the king's in the centre here, and the queen is subject to a lot of pressure. Does he dare? Okay, okay. Let's take this bishop off. Maybe he's got a point, and he's keeping the clock situation quite well. The force is strong in this one, huh? Keeping the clock situation very well. So let's see, knight e5. Right, now that g file could be something. Surely I could take here. Then this, I've got a blunting of this bishop. I don't want to play e5 because it sort of unblunts that bishop. I wonder if this g file could be used if I can exert a bit of... Can we have a trade of queens? Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. I think you missed that. I just wanted the trade of queens, really. Ah. Clever. Hitting my queen. I've got to speed up here, otherwise I'm going to lose on time. Can I get any pre-moves in? Or not? Ah. Let's just move here. Move. Run a check. Let me get my thinking on a few checks. Queen c3. Okay. Hi on stream. Hi Glim Killer. Hi Bavani. The Morris BZ. Oh, okay. This is going to be a tough one. Did we play this guy last week? I have to get my pre-moves for this guy. I think he's quite dangerous to speed up the act here considerably. I think this is a fast one. Very fast one. C5. Maybe, okay, well this, oh I don't know about that actually, but it's been done. Oh, he's got a dangerous position. He's actually really quick, this guy. Okay, let's stop this f5. Whoa, he pushed back. Maybe oh, the d3 is not working. I just realised this is an unsound piece sack. Great. I cracked. Is there any hope here? What can I do? Anything? Nothing much. I've just gone lost horribly. I played a very solid opening. I didn't even do anything about that. Oh, why did I let him just, I don't know, not do much? I think he's going to do it, isn't he? Is he not going to queen? That's interesting. Very little resistance from me. Let's see if I can get my revenge. Very little resistance. That was an unusual opening. Solid. Okay, maybe this will play. Let's play E5. Okay, try and get this E5 square. Hold E5. Oh, that'll be a bad idea. Okay, the E6 square. Can I do anything? Yeah. Oh, this looks like a bit of a bind up. Just weaken F5. Okay. Another troublesome game. Okay. On the cards. Maybe this. I'm making this G file is useful. Can I play Rook G6? Oh, there was Knight F3. Knight F3 would have been good to win the exchange. Anything going in here? This? I don't know. Again, there's Knight F3 now. Alright. Yeah. Am I going to London Chess thing? I doubt it. It's not my cup of tea, that, so yeah, I'm a bit lazy. But yeah, I'm tempted in a way, maybe to play in the rapid. Oh, there's Knight D4. I'm not paying attention, am I? Because bishop c5. Let's try and pay attention. No, he's got a really good position, huh? Mind you, can I take on f6 or here? Oh. That's interesting. No, I don't know what's going on here. And it's only, I've got to move quickly here. There's only 34 seconds. I'm just losing a pawn. He looks to have a great position. Okay, I'm hitting c5 at least. Okay, maybe it's not entirely easy from here. This, oh, there's rook d3 though. Let's make use of that. Knight over here. Oh, yeah. Okay. Try and get someone else. Chatty. Quick bishop b4. I do well from this start position, I think, in bullet, generally, this particular start position. And there's pressure on c3 here. Also this f file. Although, yeah, knight f4 might be interesting. I'll take out this. Oh, why did I give d5 though? That wasn't clever. Okay, my sensor's just fallen apart. It's not clever. This wasn't really what I had in mind. Unpin here. Oh, it is highly unpleasant now. Unfortunately, knight f3 check though. The pin could be backfired here. Knight f3. Right, this has helped. Yeah, it's getting dismantled there. I accept this Gambit. Maybe Queen G3 or Rook D1. Okay, that could be a nasty pin. It's unpin now. Are you free for? Yeah, it's unpin. Using the Queen. Okay, unpin here. Maybe Bishop A5 actually. I just realised Bishop A5 is supported here. C4 is supported because I'm holding B3. Maybe trade of queens. Now knight e5 I can just take because I'm holding d1, but it's actually, oh, knight e4, king g1. There's knight f4 as well though. So these knights are a bit of a menace actually. Can I kick them back? Alright, so d5, that's check. Kick these knights back if I can. If I double here, d6, and then something. I wonder what. Right, need to work out what I'm doing. Okay, that's easy. I can take that one. Easier. Let's try. But he might take almost on. He might. He doesn't. So now this is a little trap to play here when they take, because knight g2, queen e3. Let's see if this trap works here. Knight f4. He's not doing it. He's bypassing it. Now, taking queen e3, that's a common thing. Pre-move this. And try and... Okay, so that's a common thing to hit the rook. But he has weak in f4, so this is another common thing, just to put the knight in there. Let's put the knight in there. Try and open up this. I've got knight sport. And can I move my king so rook h8 becomes possible? In fact, possibly better is g5, yeah, for king. Or rook f7, in fact. Rook f7. Switch this king over. And I'll try and use the e5 square. Alright, it's not that easy. I don't want to get hacked on the h file. Okay. So actually my queen... Oh, hang on, he's got e5 as well. This is all of a sudden got really kind of dangerous. Okay, that relieves the situation a bit. Yes, I thought it was getting dangerous for a moment. Okay, bolted there. Astra again. I'll play this Gambit here with d5. So bishop h7 could be on the cards. c3. Sensible. Very sensible play by him. Keeping it locked down, keeping it closed. I'll try and open up here with this f5. And actually, can I put a pressure point with knight f5 coming up? So it takes and there was bishop f6 and queen g7. Okay. Looks as though it's crumbling here. e6. I think the pawn chain's crumbling. It's queen g6 on the cards, rook f7, that sort of thing. Oh, it's mate there. Yeah, that was crumbly. Oh, let's try and get someone else. A bit of variety. Let's play g6, maybe. All right. Okay. Try to get my pawn back like that. The queen over here. Cruel intentions. Putting pressure, I hope, on his position. What about bishop h6? Hold on. There's a lot of pressure now. And can I not take it here? Because of that pin? Right, now I can take here. And threaten queen e4. Or queen e6 if f3, queen e6. Right, queen e4. Oh, I just blundered the queen. That wasn't good in that particular position. It was going so well. I've just blundered the rook. Oh my word. What's going on there? I've cracked up. Totally. Yeah. I can't play with just the knight. Whoops. Okay, drink some water. I should have offered the rematch. Oh, come on. Oh, I was about to move. Okay. I'm gifting points tonight. It's a 95. Right, this should be a reasonable position. I'm going to blunder my queen. Knight h4, f5. f5. I suppose he's got a bit of pressure here. Shall I be worried at this rook? Looking at my position. Trying to evict this rook. Oh, I did just drop. Oh, I've just dropped d4 now. Oh my word. What am I doing? d4's dropping. back in the driving seat, I think. Although I'm probably trying hard to lose now. Oh, 7 seconds. Oh, I didn't know he was going to do that. Ah. Let's have a rematch. So F4. Okay. Okay, this kind of means business. D6. Okay, can I play A5 and Bishop A6? Stop Rook C7. Oh, there was 92. All right, I missed 92. Right, okay. Well, there's a 92 tactic anyway. No, there isn't. Oh, blimey. That is not what I wanted. Oh, crikey. Oh, it's all gone pear-shaped. Oh, no. Just lost all my pieces. Cracked up. Wow, that was terrible. I had a good position, just blew it. Exhausted today. Lack of precision. Maybe Queen H4 here coming up. Okay, this does look good at the moment. Very good. Oh no. I've done it again. He's getting the better with me, this guy. I thought I was doing really well. Doing really well, and he got a bit better than me. Oh, losing it. Well, let's try again. Bishop. I didn't mean that. I meant rook d7, but anyway. I think this is okay still. Let's drop c7 for a laugh. Oh, great.
Yes.
Got one back. Okay, so I'm gonna have another rematch. So he's quite dangerous. Okay, I think just one more game, and I think I'm gonna go and do something else. It hasn't been a good week for Bullet, for me. I think. I mean, it's the last game. Alright, it's going on to b5, that's cool. Huh? Alright, okay, I hope you enjoyed this week. I think I'll stop here. After this, some tough players there. I feel underestimated. I got too relaxed in some positions, maybe too slow in some others. But credit to them for, yeah. Oh, okay. I should have watched what he's doing. Okay, I'm going now. Oh, the game's going on. Okay, until next week. Okay, thanks so much.